Hey guys, this is Alberto right here once again, and today I'm here to do a quick video about the Insta360 Gimbal. Yeah, I have this with me. A friend of mine sent me this. This is not mine, this is his. His name is Mesquita. I just want to send a shout out to him. He bought this and he thought about me. He thought that sometimes I'd make videos for YouTube, like unboxing videos. So he sent me this so I can have the pleasure to unbox, and then I'm gonna send this back to him. Thank you so much, Mesquita, for thinking about me on this one. Just a reminder that this is not a review. This will be a unboxing and a first impression of this Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. All right, let's get down to the business. And I'm so sorry about the lighting over here. It's not really that great, and I know that some people like to see what's on the box, so I'm just gonna rotate the box over here. I don't know if you guys can read from there. And like I said, we just moved in to a new house, so I don't have nothing set yet. I was planning to record this in the kitchen because in the kitchen we have a little bit of better lighting, but my kids are there and they making a lot of noise, and I'm recording here in the restroom. Yeah, this is a really nice gimbal from what I've seen so far, and it looks like it's a 3-axis gimbal, and it has a built-in tripod, as you can see in here, and there are some incredible tracking features. Okay, let's go ahead and open it out. I'm doing everything in front of you guys. Take this, just put over there. Don't worry, my wife, I'll clean after myself. Yeah, so now we can take this orange tab and open from here. Okay, looks like the box opens like this. Nice. And I believe that this is the QR code to download the Insta360 app, which we don't need it right now. And inside, let's see what we have here. Okay, it claims to have iOS camera tracking with 200 plus compatibility apps, and for Android you can also do the tracking, but you need the Insta360 app. Let's see here, there is a pouch and more guides. Wow, this is a lot of guides. I don't know who reads this. And this is a very nice pouch, very comfy. I like this pouch, very comfy pouch. And this is feels like a magnet that attaches on the back of the phone, especially iPhone. And just a reminder that the new Google Pixel also came with a ring. The Google Pixel 10 came with a ring just like the iPhone, so that means you can also use this accessory on the new Google Pixel. So okay, I have my iPhone here. Looks like this has magnet, yeah, and goes on the back just like this, and then the gimbal attaches here. We're gonna try that later, but for now let's just keep going. I believe by looking at the box over here, I believe that these are the cables. Oh, it comes with a selfie light. Okay, that's nice. You can attach this selfie light to the gimbal, and besides that there is a cable, and it's USB-C to C, and this is USB-A to USB-C. This is it for this box right here. Now let's get to the real stuff, the gimbal. And guys, I can tell you guys already that the quality is legit. the quality is legit. Just by holding, you can feel the weight. The quality is legit. I believe this is how. Is this what am I supposed to do? I don't want to break someone else's stuff. Can you imagine? But I feel like I'm missing something. I want to undo this. Okay. You just gotta man up this a little bit. But this is the original position that the gimbal stays at. Over here I see to press M, and it's also equal turning on. There is an M over here. I don't know if you guys can see. It is very hard to see, but there is a letter M over there. So let me press and hold. Okay, it's on. And now from this I can just attach my phone. It's attached. Okay, the tripod is really hidden, which is really nice. It doesn't even look like it has a tripod, but the tripod are here. You can take one leg out and then the other leg and then the third leg here, and voila, it's really hidden. Oh, I almost forgot about this. If you have a phone that doesn't have this magnet compatibility like the iPhone, you can still attach your phone using this. There is a clip here and the clip expands, really nice. And one thing that I forgot to show you guys here, this thing extends at least 6 inches. Yeah, but it extends. One thing that I also found interesting is this accessory to be used on the back of the iPhones. You can actually use this as your phone holder. That's very nice. So it doesn't mean that you have to use this only with the gimbal. You can also use without the gimbal, and it's very easy to detach, just like that. It's just unfortunate that you can only use with iPhones and a few other phones model. All right, so now I wonder, how do you do to synchronize this with your native camera app to be able to track you? I see that there is an NFC sign over here, so I believe if I unlock my phone just like that, let me approach. Okay, and then it says here locating your accessory. See, the gimbal is off. Should I turn it on? Pairing failed. I mean, of course, why am I think that was a dumb question. Okay, let me power on the gimbal first. The gimbal is powered on. Okay, Insta360 Flow connect. Looks like it's loading here. Configuring accessory for first time use. This may take a few moments. Okay, it's done. And guys, also one thing that I saw is that when the light is green, that means that the tracking is enabled. And when this light starts flashing, that means that the subject has been found. Okay, let me go to the native camera app and open here video and see what's gonna happen. Okay, I see the light is blinking over here, so it means it found me. Okay, it is following me. I feel like it's a little bit slow. It can definitely lose me, but it follows you. Okay, let me go down a little bit. Let me go up. Okay, this is really nice, especially if you vlog a lot by yourself. This is really nice. You basically have a cameraman over there. Let me show you guys one thing here. I see this mirror over here. This is really nice too, because you can use this as your point of reference. Basically, when you are recording, like I'm recording with my phone like that, I cannot see what the camera is actually recording, but by looking over here, I have at least an idea that I am on focus. You know, at least I have an idea of what the camera is seeing. Like I was saying, guys, this is not a review. This is just a unboxing and first impressions of this gimbal from Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. This is a very nice quality so far. I really like it, and I think it is worth the price. And if you have Android, if you want to have these tracking features and everything, you can just download the Insta360 apps. From that app, you will also be able to track objects. If you are using iPhone, just know that using the native app on iPhone, you will be able to basically just track people. You won't be able to track objects. But if you want to track objects, you gotta use the Insta360 app. Either if you use Android or iPhone, if you want to track object, you gotta use the Insta360 app. And thank you again, Mesquita, for making this video possible for me. I really like this gimbal, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of this beautiful gimbal by Insta360. I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.